It was some amount aqua buying from Ghana and TVGH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications so that anytime you post a video, it's area will some back be. It was some for AU. Udia, I'm starting with West Africa Union, ECOWAS. ECOWAS, I'm not happy with it. And you might ask yourself, say, what has ECOWAS done? I will not be happy with. In fact, ECOWAS and Kasagwa, there are a lot of people who have issues with them. Me too, I have issues with them. A ban of the fact say they can sit down and watch one president misbehave and change constitution, overstay, blah blah blah. So already I have issues with that. Free border and so on. Let tell you something. Look, if you are moving from Ghana to Togo and you use the land border, you regret. You can have all your documents, you can have your yellow fever, your passport, everything. They will still take money from you. And Ghanaian side, no. At the Togolese side, you move from Togo to Benin, same. Benin to Nigeria, same. Nigeria to Cameroon. And so you ask yourself, say, ECOWAS Nankasano, what do they do? They just go and legislate things and leave you hanging. But that is not why I'm here today. The reason I'm here today is say, AU, African Union for chairmanship, no. Omo rotating among different blocks. Africa. You know, we have West Africa, we have the northern part of Africa, we have the central part of Africa, we have the southern part of Africa. And see, the countries in those various blocks, you also have the eastern part of Africa. The countries in those various blocks, they have their various unions. So out of those unions, maybe and then ECOWAS 10, then ECOWAS will find somebody or one president to lead. Maybe the next time, South African force 10. So currently, the president of Burundi, and the president of AU. Now, what's the interesting thing? Next year, 2027, is going to be the 10 of ECOWAS. ECOWAS 10, next year. Now, can you believe, say, ECOWAS leadership, ECOWAS presidents have come together to say they are endorsing President John Dramani Mahama to be the next chairman or the next leader of AU. You know, ideally I should be happy because I'm a Ghanaian. And once we go out of the borders of Ghana, there is no MPP, there is no NDC. That is it. But you see, when within us as a country, what is going on is nothing to write home about. I cannot pretend on the outside, say, I'm happy for my president to become AU chairman. Because as the AU leader, you must live by example. You must lead by example. We are in a country that you use state agencies to torment and persecute your political opponents. We are in a country that people speak freely and they get arrested. We're in a country that harmless TikTokers, are arrested and given bail conditions that they know, that the state knows they cannot meet. We are in a country that I don't endorse insult, okay? Insult, I never endorse insult. The people who know me know, say, I bring my analysis, I bring my facts, I show you where I've gotten my sources, and that is it. But you see, if you're in a country and somebody insults maybe the president, and that person is given a bail condition that is higher than somebody who has even committed armed robbery, then you know that there's something wrong somewhere. Yeah. Someone a harmless TikToker can be given 1 million bail condition, and that president who is supervising over that, you want him to become AU chairman. What are other countries going to learn? What are other nations going to say about us? Because as the AU chairman, as the AU leader, there will be more spotlight on Ghana. Our home is not clean when it comes to the way power is used in this country. It's entirely not clean, totally not clean. And see, the president of Dramani Mahama still has about 6 months to change my mind. Okay? I would love for a Ghanaian president to be AU leader. No problem. President Akufo-Addo was ECOWAS leader. He did marvelously well. And for his replacement, John Mahama, to be AU leader, I should be happy. But put your house in order. Stop using state agencies to harass your political opponent. Allow for free speech, because you rode on free speech to become president again. So allow people to speak their minds when they want to, and then we will all back you as the next AU leader. Benefit saying,
yeah, me adum. I mean, sorry, baby, I'm one.
yo,
Matthew,
but you MPP here.
oh, we be a boko.
But you MPP ni.
Oh, yeah, can't idea. Me MPP ni mum, me ni Ghana, and she said, my commander say MPP. Dear, near Omoye Bibia, or mine, any jehun, a bebuano, and I'm many do much.
Yo, but you 5 minutes, 20 NTA.
And yeah. Yen Comran say NDC near the Yinan, Yabeti NDC Yinan, Nammy will be a sedda. Inti no mu ye biano, ye DNA show Messiah suggest a anti crumbo. Nanka or my Sagana say no. 7 cap, Unya Macranaka unya 60 years and above from 60, a see to me triauka. Ma with me or Barbara watch me he and Bosumska, the tomo money, and I money to Ninkwanso. But to Kogana he said asante for ye fee coffee be more cautious the yes ye duani yes or ye dear. Ye flower Osuma and I wish air averaho. O mean you, Calbidi, but averaho to say nipa sofa. And it is a most sofa thing. Na say obi tumi gyina ho me de maso we kan obi tumi gyina ho ka say mama nkoto aba na mokoto aba e de mfa so na obenya e na say nipa diska ono a wo kasa no kwa no ono na enye sika no so a wo di o osoro se me yo me do ayi ahoho me do mo mabunu na mo ba me do so no onya mfa so bia so a on team petise bia munye adwuma munye se Ghana be ya efri yema ya yewo man mu nankasa yenhwe ne yekoso oti ase obi nkasa nka obi ye boni a me enchi no monchi no na se mo ti o se na meti ni o say and I say we already one ready pamphlet baby one ready o do page ya no say na we ensna wankasa ye dragam na mo yi nkrofo na say nokra na mo kan as a judge. Oh, entino Ghana atitia pansam mama munyina mo Ghana ni ade musre mo munyina nka mutimbom na montoma NPP na omedi ade so yeti we kase kati boni bi so we mu kati nkati e boni bi we mu oh na we the 27th me kasa se akweso be kasa no na no gungum a ye wa betri nyina me kame papa na ye nyina be ba Ghana. We have brains e bibidi ye tu kwan officer ye pese betra betri ye be nke be ne wa ha isi oti akra hwe hwe acquirement awaye o Ghana utimu se enka o Ghana unya but o Ghana se ya na ka oti wa ye ba ufi of course enye ye enema ya ka kwantum na maami abrewa abekọ na ọkọ hospital yisi obi onyo bi kwa na so mu se fa akọ obi emu bi because a teacher for intiom ka nurse for intiom ka judge judiciary crowd fra no obdiom ka hwe se o mane bo amawu be prim afim ne ekoni onfo obi ansi name search za ban papa aba wa oye minute wo enhye wo na note ho aden oniska obetua compensation amano na
And they appoint you.
na ye kan enne enti yeti okwa yeti man ne yeti man mu kwa say bibi bisi a afa ne be pray ho there were so many issues so enye adwuma hwe yenso one hwe say me baga na kwa me hia say me ton so be say 3 crates, small bottle no 3 crates. And they compare me me container na me de ba fie if say me kwa bonti fie na me kwa bonti I have to have some in my fridge in the car take me with me me call be am here I say we hold no partial we ba na brabo ba bi asay half a say quarter say na was am be try to be healing na is oh nti insu asay Recently, you catch themselves within Accra metropolitan. No money in so. Someone here. No money in so.
Yeah.
For
Any
over
black
1 month.
shortage aba.
For over 1 month. I didn't you say, do you know that water is life? Na moji ECJ if water was moji sika and to say in actually we can say your machine and motor say into the moon now and succumb for be over 1 month. Then and so no wubun so one mo ye the bill broma utria. And dainty na mo yes I dear papa born in the way to Senkai ubia junibaya ya wab bruchino fa ye wo abuchani be kogana and you bit me call healthy this sinner without corruption and all this na and ka won say we as be there ke we as obi ti Ghana o say Ghana we as be say you unim sa nipa wo Ghana no be 3/4 say we as be say ni we as ko we as be say ani ba bro let me ask you abuchre ha un sa fe na omo wo kuro no afe na efeba enyini.
Yeah.
And say nije ni nya nije say ina so no ukọ adwuma oba obi oye common labor crate me top beer case of beer sin fie every week no na nije ukọ kromba na wontimi mwan besi a ukutisi abonti akọ akọkọ utimi gi one full kokọ na betra wi no we no wajanka asi ho asi free mu so
Yo.
enti no Ghana de ye problem a na em say ye buy no me one time me can say NPP yeah I am say buy no this so-called person I'm say mufano amidu also may special prosecutor and obe say no man nyina ena
Yeah.
ya the nado ono so wan yimpa nani anto say mehwe ahono nsuo no mahono mu ahuni adwene bia oda ase bia obe pia ba no en na wujafo so obetena so yi ono de wo so
Yo.
obesɛ akɔ sisi yɛ kasa ɔno onua agye faga na sɛ ɔmo stratum be wia to sɛ ɔno wu kyina kora na ne ma ne ne yere ɔmo bɛtena ase ɛnyɛ me call Ghana say but the only road I me fast so a me say me tika mu me call me drive me call me say ko unya twam Accra ko Volta region area hono enko an now to me road no nam so ko a the time I stop here when I went to a place na and first monkeys near the more road and he na only a shebi boko na odeko nanka road na de nyina mo agua enso no hwese ye nuanom friend saying for omo nto abama they just
Yo.
realize say omo to abama one person me I make her
Yo.
say
What's about?
me I make her say me as antini pa pio before santi mampon and so me very free Volta region. Oja say mini immunity one my cancer more to say cancer na ye na before we no nti men can politics crowd na so because o ka den a so o buy CPP deal o ka den a ni o say o dia na o de I don't know what it gains from nti no moma ye nyina en ka etimbom na next year e ko bia no wo obetimi akofie bia we have to go and preach the gospel. We have to go and preach the gospel. Said okay no. Sa santifo nyina bob gibum say won go asanjiri say bebo e beto aba no a. There's no way say obi abet me agina ho. Na if say
Yo.
we abanto na say NPP din kunimu a magana fo ma ahotoba na yen supanom koko kura say yate so okay yate oba so ontum anye ne fum so na eto kakra eto no etua ka. Hwe officer ahotoba
Remember? Yo.
how to be koko no say no ye ka say o say o first o professor jin ye Ghana for na ete o ye nim ye omo de chemical gu nwura ba no so saa ma first na nka koko ye gusu ayi esro no na egu so DTT a ekum moa na e from akate no ene twam wi a drobie no edugum ka ho ye nye no overdose so we see the amount fertilizer some mama do gu so ye say nyina e seed no mo broni so
Right.
ye before so be di aduane no o testi bi ansa o testi na nya odo wato o tuaka on din fa ma megin sika but ogu be obehye no na emum o ma megi bi wo ho bi
Oh, one I see no. Sorry. All right. custody. Better bring my 5 minutes.
Voice.
Custody, oh. Yes, yeah. Good evening. Good morning. Yes, I don't want to answer.
Na me adom ho ye pa. Ja we de ya da mo asene adwumade amoboma NPP. Da nyame ase so ado ama regional elections ni nyina ya den akọ na wiye. Na me de kakra mesre NPP for ne say moma ye nyina ye ni na ho. 2024 yehu kwan a asofo ne fa so twa ntro de to akufo ado ne ba wo mu. Mia so ye lusu aba no. Eno an wusu ben pa starte. Na asofo jimifo be so starte. Se wa beto aba ma NPP bia wa adome ho. Me pese me kire Ghana ni bia se of mampani kufo kan. Wo se hwe asitem na to aba pa. NDC de na ada na beji akonwa no. Omo ba so bibi bia ni ho no mo ye. Eni to bia entrance mo bi mfa nyame se emeda nyankopon wanya NDC ni. Nyankopon to aba. To ye Kristo ni na so gina app iso a. Hu se wo ma o medical school wo to atade wo to mpaboa bibi biara ekoso wo man mu no ni nyina wutua bi